Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Capital One miles and statement history, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up your Capital One miles and statement history, start by logging into your Capital One account. Visit the Capital One website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, locate the Rewards tab or section. Click on the Miles category to view your accumulated miles. Take note of the total miles you have available. To save this information, screenshot the relevant screen on your device. Next, navigate to your statement history. Find the Account Services or Statements section in your account. Select the option to view recent statements. Choose the statements you wish to back up, ideally for the past year. For each statement, look for the option to download or print. Select the download option, which is usually in PDF format. Save the PDF file to a designated folder on your computer or cloud storage. Be sure to label each file clearly for easy reference later. After downloading, verify that the files are accessible. Consider setting a reminder to back up your miles and statements regularly. This will help ensure that your information is always up to date. Now, you have successfully backed up your Capital One miles and statement history. Store your backup files securely to prevent any loss of information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.